One item that may help with RTK line jumps running off of RTK base stations is forcing the GPS receiver to not run off the base station and run off full satellite signal in RTK extend. Go to menu on your display, get into the StarFire, once in the StarFire, you're going to want to go on the right hand side to the tripod to get into your RTK settings, hit the configure button. You could change your operating mode to off, which would put the receiver in SF1. I would suggest going to the network ID and changing it to 4020, which is a fictitious number, which is not a real base station. Hit OK. Simply hit accept and hit accept again to change the network settings. Once the solar activity passes, we will need to change this back. This will work on a StarFire 6000 and 7000 receiver for up to 2 weeks before we will need to switch back. This trick will not work on a 3000 receiver. You will need to change the operating mode to off to run SF1 if you're on a 3000 receiver with RTK. Once the network ID is changed over to 4020, simply X out. Get back to your normal run screen where you have your satellite icon at the top. It's normally going to say RTK like it does in this example. It should switch to RTK-X for RTK extend. We seem to be having better luck with minimizing the amount of line jumps switching over to RTK extend. This solution may not be bulletproof, but it does seem to be helping.